Walking keeps you moving, but it won't rebuild lost strength, balance, or bone density after 60. If independence is the goal, you need targeted moves that walking can't deliver. Guidelines for adults 65 plus recommend strength, balance, and flexibility work at least 2 days per week, not walking alone per the UK NHS Physical Activity Guidance updated 2025. These 5 exercises focus on strength and balance domains specifically linked to fall reduction and daily function in older adults, aligning with those recommendations. Quick check. Are you 60 to 69, 70 to 79, or 80 plus? Type your age range in the comments. Sit to stand from a chair. This trains your thighs and glutes, the muscles that stand you up, climb stairs, and protect your knees. Walking barely loads them through full range. Stronger sit-to-stand power is tied to better mobility and a lower fall risk in older adults, while also reflecting functional leg strength beyond what steady walking builds. Programs that include strength and functional lower body work are emphasized in older adult guidelines to improve independence and reduce falls risk. Adding strength tasks like sit-to-stands complements aerobic walking for comprehensive fitness. Use a chair at knee height. Feet under knees. Cross arms or light fingertip support on thighs. Stand tall. Sit back with control. Start 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 10 controlled reps per leg. Rest 60 to 90 seconds. Pain in knees or hips? Use a higher chair or add cushion. Slow the lowering. Stop if sharp pain appears and consult a clinician if symptoms persist. Myth bust. Walking maintains endurance, but it doesn't overload the quads enough to reverse age-related strength loss. Next up, improves balance and stair confidence. Step-ups to a low step. Step-ups mimic real life. Curbs, buses, stairs, and target the same leg muscles that prevent trips and falls. Walking on flat ground won't challenge this range or force. Improving step mechanics raises confidence and reduces fatigue on stairs. Strength and balance activities at least 2 days a week are recommended for adults 65 plus, supporting functional tasks like stair climbing that walking alone may not address. Use a 4 to 8 inch step. Hold a counter for support. Step up with right, bring left up, step down, switch lead leg. 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 10 controlled reps per leg. If balance is limited, keep both hands on support or start with a 2 to 4 inch book stack secured by a wall. Stop if you feel hip, knee, or ankle pain. Quick stat, balance and strength training are required in the weekly mix for older adults, not optional add-ons. Next, a wall move that quietly builds bone-friendly tension. Wall sit hold. Isometric holds build thigh and hip strength without joint pounding. Walking lacks this steady muscular tension. Stronger quads reduce knee strain during daily tasks and improve standing endurance after 60. Strength work is specifically recommended alongside moderate activities such as walking to protect function and independence after 65. Back to wall. Slide down to a comfortable knee bend, 45 to 60 degrees. Hold 10 to 30 seconds, 3 to 5 holds with 45 to 60 seconds rest. Keep knees tracking over midfoot. Avoid deep angles if you have knee osteoarthritis. Come up if tingling or pain develops, and speak with your clinician if symptoms persist. 1 minute of total holds can feel harder than a mile of easy walking, and that's the point. Upper body strength next. Walking doesn't touch it. Counter push-ups. Upper body strength supports posture, transfers, and fall recovery. Walking provides none of this. Pressing strength helps with pushing doors, rising from the floor, and carrying groceries. Older adult guidance includes strength training for major muscle groups at least twice weekly. Adding pushing movements complements lower body work and gait activity. Hands on a sturdy counter. Body straight. Lower chest toward edge. Press back. 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 12 reps. Tempo 2 seconds down, 1 up. If wrists hurt, use fists or a higher surface. If shoulders pinch, reduce depth. Stop with sharp pain and consult a clinician if it persists. Try 8 reps now. Feel the posture muscles switch on in seconds. Walking won't do that. Finish with the most underrated core and balance drill. Heel to toe balance walk plus single leg stand combo. Balance declines faster after 60. Targeted balance training reduces fall risk while walking isn't enough to improve balance once challenged. This combo trains ankle strategy, core stability, and focus under gentle challenge. Guidance for 65 plus explicitly calls for balance and flexibility work. Practicing balance reduces fear of falling and improves confidence in daily tasks. Part A. Tandem walk along a counter. Heel touches toe 10 to 20 slow steps. Part B. Single leg stand near support, 10 to 20 seconds per side. 2 rounds. Stand beside a counter. Light fingertip support allowed. Stop if you feel dizzy. Discuss persistent balance issues with a clinician. Pattern interrupt. A tiny wobble now prevents a big wobble later. This is preventative medicine you can feel. You've now covered what walking misses: strength and balance in all key directions. How to put it together each week. Do these 5 on 2 non-consecutive days per week and add brisk walking or cycling to reach about 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly if able, or split into shorter bouts. Keep moving daily, even light activity, and break up sitting time. These habits protect heart and brain health as you age. On screen, 2 days strength and balance plus 150 minutes moderate. Progression. Add 1 to 2 reps per set or 5 to 10 seconds per hold every 1 to 2 weeks. Raise step height slightly once it feels easy. Lower the counter for push-ups as strength improves. Simple example week. Mun, strength and balance. 2, 20 to 30 minute walk. Wen, rest or light mobility. Thur, strength and balance. Fry, 20 to 30 minute walk. Sat, light activity. Sun, rest or gentle walk. Minimal contraindications and safety. Check with a clinician before starting if you have cardiac symptoms, unstable joints, recent surgery, uncontrolled blood pressure, or unexplained dizziness. Start with shorter sets and higher supports as needed. Use pain as a guide. Muscle effort is good. Joint pain is not. If you worry about falls, do the balance drills with a sturdy counter or helper nearby. Many find confidence improves within weeks of regular practice. Walking is healthy, but it won't rebuild the strength and balance that protect independence after 60. These 5 moves directly target what walking misses: leg power, stair ability, posture, and stability. Combine them twice weekly with your regular walking to meet proven guidelines and feel stronger in daily life. If this helped, subscribe for weekly senior-friendly strength and balance routines and comment with your age range so the next plan matches your level.